Well, is sales job stressful? In my today's video, I'll talk about is sales job stressful or not. But before we go into that, let's first understand on a very fundamental level why even stress happens. Stress is a direct result of fear, and fear is because of all those things to which we are super attached to. We want something to happen in our favor and we don't have direct control over it in many cases. It can be, what if I lose a job? What if I, not able to take care of my family? What if I'm not able to hit my targets? What if, this, that, all those things on which our well-being depends, we're totally attached to it and we don't have a direct control, and we are unaware of when will something of that sort happen. That is a very fundamental reason behind, fear, and all those fears combined together create a lot of stress. So now in sales environment, let's understand what is the very fundamental reason behind stress. It's mostly around we not being aware of our own success pattern. We are scared or we are fearful because we don't know when we will meet our next target, when we will meet our next sale, when we will get our next meeting. And that is what creates fear. That is what creates a lot of stress. So now what if I say that, you can be aware of your own success pattern, you can be aware of your own averages, and all you need to do is to start tracking your own success. It can be done using as simple tool as this, manual tracker, where you can just write the number of phone calls you will make. It can be 1 to 50, 1 to 100, and you just cross out the number in which you actually close the deal or booked a meeting. And you'll see that after some time you'll find an average, means after X number of calls you'll get a meeting and your success starts happening, it starts repeating. Everything in this world is cyclic, and you'll observe that you'll have a number around which your success will come. That is the first thing. Start tracking your own success. Second thing which you can do is being less detached to the result. I know this is a hard ask, it's something which is very difficult to do, but I'll urge you to start thinking in the direction, because that's what will make you even more relaxed after you being aware of your own success patterns. So now there's one beautiful book which I recommend. It's How to Think Like a Roman Emperor by Donald Robertson, which talks about stoicism and being focused in the process and being less attached to the result. It's a hard ask, it requires practice, but the moment you start doing it, you'll see there's a lot of relief, there's a lot of calmness, relaxed state of mind when you're selling, and it actually helps you to sell even better. That is the second thing you can do to actually have a stress-free selling experience. And lastly, there's one more thing I like to highlight as, sales is a pressure game, sales is a performance game, and there can be short-term pressure. It can be relieved by, walking, jogging, eating good food, taking care of yourself, and all the things which you enjoy doing can be done to reduce the stress, reduce the pressure, I'll say, in a short term. But on longer term, it's mostly around knowing your own success patterns. I hope this video helps. I hope this video answers the question, is sales job stressful or not? Because sales job is stressful or not, it's totally dependent on how you handle this profession. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you so much. Sell even better. That is the second thing you can do.